You are watching AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel.
Aeroplane Aerodynamics, Structures and Systems 2 in BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology, AMET. By AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel, providing you the aviation industry related videos, so don't forget the subscription button.
Aeroplane Aerodynamics, Structures and Systems 2 is an advanced level course that builds upon the foundational concepts learned in Part 1. This subject focuses on complex aerodynamic theories, structural design principles, aircraft construction techniques, advanced systems, and their maintenance considerations that IT prepares AMET students to understand, inspect, and maintain modern aircraft safely and efficiently. 1. Advanced Aerodynamics. A. Lift, drag and performance. Detailed study of lift generation at different angles of attack. Drag types, induced, parasite, wave drag. Performance curves for climb, cruise, glide, descent. B. High-speed aerodynamics. Transonic and supersonic flow behavior. Shock waves and their effect on aircraft control. Mach number, compressibility effects. C. Stability and control. Longitudinal, lateral, and directional stability. Control surfaces and trim systems. Factors affecting aircraft stability, c.g., aerodynamic balance, damping. D. Aeroelasticity. Flutter, divergence, control reversal. Impact of aerodynamic forces on aircraft structures at high speeds. 2. Aircraft structures, advanced. A. Aircraft materials and construction. Composite materials, carbon fiber, Kevlar. Sandwich structures. Fatigue, corrosion, and stress concentration. B. Load distribution and stress analysis. Bending, torsion, shear loads. Wing loading and structural stress paths. Structural failure modes. C. Fuselage design. Semi-monocoque and monocoque construction. Frames, stringers, bulkheads, skin. D. Landing gear structures. Shock absorption systems. Stress and impact loads during landing. Retraction mechanisms and design. 3. Aircraft systems, advanced. A. Hydraulic systems. High-pressure hydraulic systems in large aircraft. Hydraulic reservoirs, actuators, PTUs. Hydraulic system redundancy and safety features. B. Pneumatic systems. Engine bleed air systems. Air distribution, pressure regulators, valves. C. Fuel systems. Advanced fuel management. Cross-feed, fuel transfer, venting, jettison. Fuel pumps, valves, sensors. D. Powerplant installation. Engine mounting, firewalls. Thrust reversers and nacelle structures. Cooling and ventilation of engines. E. Flight control systems. Primary controls, ailerons, rudder, elevators. Secondary controls, flaps, slats, spoilers, trim. Fly-by-wire systems and redundancy logic. F. Ice and rain protection. Thermal anti-ice and pneumatic boots. Rain repellent systems, windshield heating. Ice detection sensors. G. Air conditioning and pressurization. Environmental control systems, ECS. Heat exchangers, compressors, packs. Pressurization modes and safety valves. 4. Avionics-Integrated Systems. A. Electrical power distribution. AC, DC power generation. Transformer rectifier units, TRUs. Emergency power sources and batteries. B. Navigation and autopilot interface. Electronic flight instrument systems, EFIS. Autopilot and flight director integration. Inertial navigation systems, INS. C. Warning and monitoring systems. ECM/ICAS displays. Master warning and caution systems. Sensor data integration using ARINC systems. 5. Maintenance practices linked to the subject. A. Structural inspections. Non-destructive testing, NDT, techniques. Crack detection, corrosion prevention. Structural repair guidelines, SRM. B. System troubleshooting. Fault isolation manuals, FIMs. MEL/CDL considerations. Redundancy management and fail-safe design. C. Documentation. AMET, Aircraft Maintenance Manual. IPC, Illustrated Parts Catalog. Service Bulletins and Airworthiness Directives. 6. Importance of the subject for AMET students. Builds understanding of how modern commercial aircraft operate. Improves ability to perform complex maintenance tasks. Supports preparation for licensing exams, EASA/CAA. Enhances skills in troubleshooting, inspection, and repair of large aircraft. Conclusion. Aeroplane Aerodynamics, Structures and Systems 2 is one of the most important subjects in AMET. It strengthens your understanding of advanced aerodynamics, modern aircraft structures, and sophisticated aircraft systems. This knowledge is essential for ensuring airworthiness, flight safety, and effective aircraft maintenance in real-world aviation environments.